Hi everyone, welcome to the Funny Cook channel. This series, I will show you how to make a WordCat shooting game by using Scratch. I'm using the version 3, but if you are using the version 2, the idea should be very similar. Well, but if you could, it's always better to upgrade it to use the up-to-date features. Now, let's do it. The first step, create a very first WordCat. There are different ways to make the WordCat graphic, either by drawing it here, drawing it in another software, then import it here, or search on Google, then import it. Well, but this time, I will show you how to do it right here, and you can see me how to do the drawing, so that you can just copy and try the same method. Now, draw a circle. Be notice that we are in the vector graphic mode, so there is a convert to bitmap buttons at the left bottom corner. If you are not sure what is the difference, never mind, just follow the way I do. Okay, then we draw the wing. Also, by using circle, bend it a little bit, like that. Change the color to black, so it looks obviously different to the body. Move it to the bottom. Now, use copy and paste to clone another wing. However, this tool does not come with the mirror option, so we have to mirror it ourselves. I know it's easy to make mistakes, so try to overlap it with the left wings and do some conversion, make some adjustment. The wings look too high. Let's select them and pull it off a bit. Also, change the wings to the back layer. It will help to look real. Next, a WordCat should have a window at least. Again, we use another circle. Flatten the bottom. Move to the front. Try to fit the body size. And slightly change the color. Okay, this is the WordCat. Easy to draw and look cute, right? Now, do the next step. We want to create something or fire to make it look flying. Before that, use mouse right click on the first frame. Select duplicate. The frame will be in animation, so eventually we will make 4 frames. Let's do the second one now. Create a circle. Yeah, I love circle. Distort the circle like that. Like the head of arrow. Remove the border. Use copy and paste to clone another one. Make it just smaller than the original one. Repeat this step. We have 3 now, and this should be overlapping the largest one with the same top position. Okay, now change the color. The smallest one is red, while the middle one is orange, which is actually the original color. The larger one, turn it to light yellow. Finally, move them together to the bottom of rocket. Move the body layer to the top of film. After that, cone the second film to the third and fourth. Now, resist the second film. Remove the orange and yellow film. Resist the third film. Remove the yellow only. Also, we need to change the name of each film from 1 to 4. We link the spikes to rocket. Okay, the basic drawing done. Now, you can start some coding to see the animation. Go to the Event tab, drag the When Green button click. Go to the Control tab to drag the Forever loop. Go to the Look tab and drag the next costume inside the loop. Oops, too fast. Let's delay 0.1 second, see what happens. Great! Now we have a flying rocket. Next video, I will show you how to make the rocket move. And even interestingly, we will improve the animation together. See you next time!